Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start the lecture for class 9 mathematics. Exercises 5.2. Now 5.2 exercises 5.2. The first question, x4 plus 64. Two terms in this exercise, two terms or three terms are given. If the two terms both are perfect square, if the two terms will be perfect square and the third term will be not 2ab, we will add or subtract by completing square to make it perfect square. Now this will be a square, will be b square. 2ab is missing. We will add or subtract to make it perfect square. Now this will be x square. What is 4 plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. What will be the 16x square should be added and subtracted to make it perfect square. Now this apply a plus b whole square. It will be x square plus 8 whole square. What will be minus 16x square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Applying formula we get a minus b, a plus b. Write in a descending order with respect to x. Now question number 2, same as question number 1. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A raised to power 4, a square b square plus b raised to power 4. We take a4, b4 first. It will be a square plus b square 2 plus 2 b minus 2 b. What is left here? A square b square will be at the end plus a square b square. We apply the formula a plus b whole square minus 2 a square b square plus a square b square. A square plus b square. It will be minus 1 a square b square. Now it will be a square minus b square. We apply the formula a minus b, a plus b in the descending order with respect to a. Now question 4 and 5. I'll do a 5 for you. 5. According to both point of view, it will be an important question. x8 plus x4 plus 1. x8 plus x4 plus 1. Now we can arrange. We can add x8 plus 1. I've done it on x4. Now it will be a square b square plus 2ab minus 2ab. What is left here? x4. At the end, formula a plus b minus 2a. It will be plus x4. x4 plus 1 plus minus minus 4. Now a square minus b square. A minus b, a minus B. A plus B will get x4 plus 1 minus x square, x4 plus 1 plus x2. Arrange in the order. Now we can proceed further. In this question we can solve this. This question is question number 4. This is question number 4. Now again a square plus b square 2ab minus 2 minus 2ab plus x square. Now x4 minus x square plus 1. Again formula a plus b whole square minus 2x square plus x square. We get x4 minus x square plus 1. A plus b whole square minus 2x square. Now again we make them a square minus b square. It's a square minus b square. We get x4. It will be a minus b, a plus b. Arrange the order. The second bracket and the third bracket. We get this one is your question number 4. Now question number 6. X is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 7. Now it will be a square plus b square 2a b again 2a b and minus 7. I didn't written here. Plus or minus, I didn't written here. If it will be plus 2 minus, it give you minus 5. But minus 5 is not a perfect square. Instead of minus, I write minus here. Minus 2 minus 7 give you minus 9. 9 is a perfect square. Here is a plus. It will be a formula. A plus b whole square minus 2 x square 1 by x square minus 7 cancel. We get x square plus 1 by x square minus 9. Now a square minus b square. Now apply the formula. We get a minus b, a plus b. Arrange in order. Now homework. Question number 2. Solve it by yourself. Question number 2, I have given the homework. Solve it by yourself. If any problem, then call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.